In this video, I will share with you how to farm lucky eggs on PokeMMO using a budget Banette with frisk ability. To test this method out, I bought a cheap 28,001 with poor IV. You need access to Unova and Undella Town. From the Pokemon Center, head to the right side of the ocean and start surfing. You will encounter 5 Pelippers. Pelippers can drop 3 items, one being Lucky Egg, and the other 2 being Damp Rock and Pretty Wings. The only valuable item here is the Lucky Egg, which sells about 30,000 at the moment. The strategy requires Banette to have the frisk ability. Since the Pelippers rarely will use attack moves, you can get away with a low-level 70 Banette. The skill set needed here is Thief, for stealing the items, Fling, and Imprison, to prevent the Pelippers from flinging their items. Trick is the last move. As for the nature of Banette, Adamant is the best, but since I am using a budget version, I use Jolly Nature. Budget Banette's EV is quite trash, with only 10 attack EV and 11 speed EV. It gets the job done though. You can also use this to farm Amulet Coin in Sevii Island 1 as well with these stats. My EV distribution is 252 to HP, 102 to attack, and 156 to speed. Honestly, it doesn't matter too much once they are higher than level 70. Now we move to the actual farming process. The key thing to watch for is the frisk ability to activate when encountering the Pelippers. It will show it on the left side here. After that, cast Imprison to prevent the Pelippers from throwing away the item via Fling. Then you want to start using Thief one by one on the correct Pelipper until you see the bag animation get thrown your way. Also, this is very important. Once you get an item, be sure to remove it from Banette by selecting the item to remove after the battle is over. Otherwise, Thief will not work since Banette is holding an item. After doing this for about 1.5 hours, I was able to get 5 lucky eggs. This is not the plus 31 attack and speed 4 max level Banette, so it cannot one-shot most of the Pelippers, slowing down the run by a bit. A max level version can probably increase the average lucky egg gain to 4 per hour. So overall, I would say it is a decent way to earn money in PokeMMO. Hope this helps and thanks for watching.